Using section formula, prove that the 3 points minus 4, 6, 10, minus 4, 6, 10, 2, 4, 6 and 14, 0, minus 2 are collinear. Using section formula, prove that the 3 points minus 4, 6, 10, 2, 4, 6 and 10, 0, minus 2 are collinear. Okay. So let the given points be A, B and C. Okay, let A of minus 4, 6, 10, B of 2, 4, 6 and C of 14, 0, minus 2 be the given points. Okay, let us assume that let the point P divides AB, okay, in the ratio K is to 1. First take AB and assume the point P divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. Okay. Now K is to 1 means M is to N is equal to K is to 1. Okay. So A of point A of x1, y1, z1 equal to point A is A of minus 4, 6, 10 and B of x2, y2, z2 equal to B of 2, 4, 6. Okay, we know that by section formula x equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Okay, now using this, put for m is equal to k, n is equal to 1. Okay, for x1, y1, z1 put these values, and for x2, y2, z2 use this value. Okay, so now x equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. So we know that m is to n here, k is to 1. Okay, so for m we have put k, for x2 x2 2, for n we have 1. Okay, for n we have 1, for x1 we have minus 4 divided by m plus 1 m plus n, so k plus 1. Okay, so that is equal to k into 2k, 1 into minus 4 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so x equal to 2k minus 4 divided by k plus 1. Similarly, y is equal to m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n. Okay, substituting the values, y is equal to k into 4 plus 1 into 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so simplifying this, we get y is equal to 4 into k, 4k plus 1 into 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so y is equal to 4k plus 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay, similarly z is equal to m z2 plus n z1 divided by m plus n. So substituting the corresponding values, we get z is equal to k into 6 plus 1 into 10 divided by m plus k plus 1. Okay, for z1 we have 10, for z2 we have 6. Okay, for m we have k, for n we have 1. Okay, so z becomes k into 6 plus 1 into 10 divided by k plus 1. So z is equal to 6k plus 1 into 10, 10 divided by k plus 1. Okay, the point C is, the point C is 14, 0, minus 10. Now take the point C is 14, 0, minus 12. Okay, here the value of x is 14. Okay, so write x equal to 14, but by section formula we have calculated x equal to 2k minus 4 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so put x equal to 2k minus 4 divided by k plus 1 equal to, here the value of x coordinate is 14. Okay, so by equating these two values we can get the value of k. Okay, so 2k minus 14 divided by k plus 1 equal to 14. So now cross multiplying, 2k minus 4 equal to 14 into k plus 1. Okay, so 2k minus 4 equal to 14 into k, 14k plus 1 into 14 plus 14. Okay, so this is the next step. So now we can write 2k, move this 14 to this side, so it will become 2k minus 14k equal to 14, and move this minus 4 to this side, so it will become plus 4. So 2k minus 14 k equal to minus 12k, 14 plus k equal to 18. Okay, so now k is equal to 18 divided by minus 12. So k equal to minus for sixth table, 6 3s are 18, 2 6 are 12. Okay, so k is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here we have a minus which represents it externally. Okay, here minus denotes external intersection. Okay, so y, now we have calculated k is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we know that y is equal to k 4k plus 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay, now we have to write y is equal to 4k plus 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay, now we have to put the value of k is equal to minus 3 by 2 in this equation and ensure whether y is equal to 0, this 0. Okay, whether we get y value as 0. Okay, similarly here z is equal to minus 2. Also use this equation and put the value of k is equal to minus 3 by 2 and check whether we will get z is equal to minus 2 for the value of k is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so first step, finding the value of k we have calculated k is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now use this equation, y is equal to 4k plus 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so y is equal to using this equation. Okay, y is equal to 4k, y is equal to 4k plus 6 divided by k plus 1. Now put k is equal to minus 3 by 2 in this equation. So this equation becomes 4 into the value of k is minus 3 by 2 plus 6 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, now this 1, 2. Okay, 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. 2 into minus 3 equal to minus 6 plus 6 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is equal to minus 6 plus 6 means 0. 0 divided by anything 0. Okay, so we can get y is equal to 0. Okay, which is the same coordinate of C, which is the same coordinate of y in C. Okay, in C, in point C, the y coordinate is 0. Okay, here for k is equal to minus 3 by 2, we got y is equal to 0. Okay, so coordinate of y verification is over. Okay, now we are going to find z. Okay, for k is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, plug in this equation. So z is equal to 6 into minus 3 by 2 plus 10 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. So now 1 3. Okay, so that is equal to 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9 plus 10 divided by minus 3 plus taking LCM 2 into 1 2 divided by 2. Okay, so that is equal to minus 9 plus 10 means 1 divided by minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this 2 will go to the numerator and gets multiplied with this 1. So 2 into 1 2 divided by minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2. Okay, so minus 9 plus 10 divided by, this is 1, this is 3. Okay, for second table, so 3 into minus 3 minus 9 plus 10 divided by, here taking LCM, minus 3 2 into 1 2 divided by 2. So that is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 2. So which is equal to, Z is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here for y is equal, for k is equal to minus 3 by 2, we have Z is equal to minus 2. For point C, the Z coordinate is also minus 2. Okay, so we can write, therefore point C of 14 comma 0 comma minus 2 is a point which divides AB externally. Here k is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, this minus denotes externally. Okay, externally division. Okay, so C of 14 comma 0 comma minus 2 is a point which divides AB externally in the ratio 3:2 and is same as P. Okay, suppose k is equal to 3 by 2 means positive. Suppose k is equal to positive means we have to replace this area as internally. Okay, since we have k is equal to, but in this problem our answer is k is equal to minus 3 by 2. So we can write C of 14 comma 0 comma minus 2 is a point which divides AB externally in the ratio 3:2. Okay, and is same as P. Therefore ABC is a collinear. Okay, therefore ABC is a collinear. Okay, suppose k is equal to positive means we have to replace here internally. Okay.